Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another video. So today I will basically show you about how to change your desired text or any word, especially during the making of title. You need to frequently change the name of architect or any structural engineer. So if you go one by one, it takes lots of time. So see, oh, so let's say if you want to change the name of architect Deepak to Sandeep, so Deepak is present in all the layouts, so it takes a lot of time to type one by one and go. If you edit, it takes lots of time. So if you just follow this step, you can easily change the name in all the layouts. So just follow my steps. So you can do right click, then go to find, then what you want to find, what you want to right now. You want to find Deepak. Now you want to search in your Android drawing. Fine, now system is finding. Now next, what you want to replace. So I want to replace with Sandeep. Now structure architect name has been changed into Sandeep. Now it will change into Sandeep. System is replacing. See, one match is found and 31 objects change. So let's see. See, Sanjay has been, Deepak has been changed into Sandeep. So this is how you can easily change the name or any text in your layout. So this is how your time will be safe. Thank you, that's all for today. Have a good day.